All right, check out my new light bulbs that I just got. Comes with, looks like some type of remote control, and these go through different iterations of light. Let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at one. Ooh, look, check it out. Opening it up. There's 4 lights in here. It's got the info on there. And this is interesting. For some reason, I got dose of these. There's 1 and 2. All right, so when you first get these, they have batteries in them. And just so you guys know, you see this little plastic on the end? What the plastic does is it keeps that contact to the battery, so the batteries are still strong when you get it. So you just got to pull this out like that. Bam, done. Ready to go. Let's set those over here. And let's go ahead. Let's pull out a bulb. It's just a regular bulb, right? And you screw it in, and then you can change the color of them. Take a look. There they are. There's 4 of them. We're going to have to plug them in and see if we like them. I'm going to put them in there. Here we go. All right, so here we are, right? And we can just go ahead and click them. Oh, look, we turned it off. We got to turn it back. We got to turn it back on. So we got to go to on, right? Look at that. You can just do it from here. Now let's go to blue. That's cool, huh? Let's go to yellow. Let's go to orange. All right, and let's go to red. Nice. Yeah, you get a better look like this. So I'm going to go through the colors again. Let's try this. I'm just going through different colors. I kind of like the purple, man. I like purple. It looks cool. So anyway, you can play with this thing and see what you think. But yeah, they're great. I love them. They change the ambience of the room. We're going to keep them in there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on stuff like this.